this video, honestly, because I'm constantly seeing waxing reviews or tutorials or stuff like that from other people online. Take it off and, oh, this wax sucks because of, see, it's cracking and breaking, and they're not applying the strip properly. So if you're not applying the strip properly, it's not going to come out.
They was already waiting on anybody to come around there. Come on! They was already waiting on anybody to come around there. Come on! Oh, my bad, dude. I almost fucked you up, done.